Hi everyone, I'm Mike. I lead business development at MarsDAO, and today is a great day because we will talk about our product called Cosmic FOMO. As many of you know, we are launching soon, and last time we attracted many attention from new users as well. So we'll talk briefly about what is the game, how you may play it, and so on. And for our advanced users, we'll announce really cool features too. So what is agenda for today? Firstly, we'll tell about the gameplay, and it's really simple as I will tell you. Also, we'll announce our loyalty program. It is aimed to onboard new users and give incentives to our old ones. And then we'll talk about the most interesting feature for Genesis NFT holders that may receive in-game tokens before launching the game. And the final part is that we will have an offline meeting in Germany on Nürburgring. So let's start. Firstly, the gameplay. So it's really simple. Firstly, you need to just buy an NFT box that you open when you enter the game. And while you enter the game, you will mint an NFT pilot. You may either get a common with 80% chance or uncommon with 20% chance. Also, as you may see even at this slide, we have a really unique designs of each pilot. So don't be afraid of having the common style of a pilot. They are always unique. And then, when you define your pilot type, you go to a solo race. So you just need to pick up coins and tokens that you think they will boost in price next hour. So when you have a portfolio of them, you just go to the space with your pilot. Then some meteorites may appear. You need to crush them in order to obtain chests, and then you just open them to receive a gem. Gems will be used in the game, so you may upgrade your pilot, you may have more tokens as a reward, and the gameplay would be even better. So we are happy to announce our white paper. We decided to name it Cosmic Paper. Check out it either on our website, there are some links below, and you will see the link to white paper, or you may just attach your phone and scan our QR code. So the point is that we decided to make a white paper as complex as we want. So we have a complex research. It would be interesting for any one of you to read, to see what are the trends on the market, which mechanics are the better to use, and also we have added all details about our gameplay, how you may play, how you may receive tokens, how you may upgrade pilots, and so on. And I would tell you also that we are updating this Cosmic paper almost on a daily basis, so just keep updated because all new features of our game will be added to this paper. So let's go to the next slide. As I mentioned earlier, we have dual phases tokenomics model. The first phase is aimed to attract enough attention from the community on our game, and then there are the following key parts of the first phase. We have a Genesis NFT distribution. As you know, we almost sold all of NFT pieces, and now we are selling the last of them. Also, we'll introduce you solo mode and hardcore mode. So just for recap, the solo mode, you battle with the market itself, while the hardcore mode is aimed when you may battle with your friends, enemies, or just colleagues from the work. And we also introduce you character minting. As you may remember from other broadcasts, you may mint up to 3 characters from your pilot, and they would be also with unique design and as NFTs. So you may either exchange them on the marketplace or play with them. And also we'll introduce you meteorites with loot boxes, while the second phase will be transferred to when we'll have a significant number of players of maximum level appeared, and then all pilots of each player would be merged into one. It's necessary because you will have the most strong character, and since the number of energy you may have go to the flight on daily basis is limited, with one character you may receive more tokens rather than if you tried to use different ones. So also we'll introduce you pilot progression levels, new game mechanics, so keep updated on our social media, and of course we'll add leverage. So you may not only go long, but you may go short. If it is a bear market and you are confident that it will go even down and deeper, you may set your prediction that, for example, the price of BTC and other coins will go down. So yeah, we'll introduce you not only a short option, but with the leverage itself. So you may earn even more, but you know the risk is even higher. And we are happy to announce to you a loyalty program. So if you have a friend with whom you want to play, or you have a community around you, you may just copy your link, invite your guests, they just need to buy an NFT and start launching the game, and then each activity they do in the game, you will receive as a reward some benefits in the game, so you may use these bonuses to upgrade the pilot, to mint, and to repair. So it is the same as having more in-game tokens. So the more people you will invite, the more perks you have, and the better is your pilot. So the important point is that we want to have a distribution of unclaimed loyalty system tokens. They will be distributed among all NFT holders of Genesis collection. It's one more utility for Genesis NFT collection, and I want to emphasize that we are trying to make as many utilities as we can for Genesis holders. So please don't miss a chance to have especially Genesis collection. So the key feature we are introducing now is in-game token staking. So if you have Genesis NFT piece and MDAO token, you may stake MDAO to receive as a reward in-game token. And it will be conducted soon on our platform DAO Mars, but we will announce it with all necessary details about the period of staking, its API and other stuff, so keep updated. And one thing I need to mention is that we are not now selling our in-game token on any DEXs, so please don't try to find it. We will announce our release on decentralized exchanges only after the end of the campaign of staking. So don't please do some fraudulent actions from others, don't believe them, just follow our official social media pages, and we'll announce all this afterwards. We know that last time many users have followed us and many users joined our game, and I want just to recap how you may enter it. So the first thing is that you should buy an NFT piece. The game will be launched soon, and with this NFT piece you may go to the game. As I mentioned earlier, you may mint a pilot and just play. So to buy an NFT, firstly you need to buy USDT stablecoin and BNB for gas fees. For newcomers, you may go to exchange, for example, BitGet, Bybit, or any other, such as Binance. You may deposit your fiat, for example, US dollar, and then convert it to stablecoin USDT. Also, please buy some BNBs for transaction fees. You may buy it even for like $2. It would be enough for many transactions to be executed. But remember that on some exchanges there is a minimum amount of dollar equivalents you may buy. For example, on Bybit is $10, but I think BNB will be useful for you anytime. So after you bought stablecoin and BNB, you need to create a non-custodial wallet. It could be either MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or our TTM wallet that would be renamed to MDAO wallet. And there you just generated an address, you write down your seed phrase, you top up this wallet by that coins that you purchased on exchanges on BEP20 chain, so it's BNB Smart Chain. It's really important. And then you just go to the website cosmicfomo.com, you attach your wallet, you sign the transaction. If you have a MetaMask, yeah, do it in browser within an app. So there you may just buy the NFT piece using your USDT. So if you don't know the price, please go to the website, see the price, and then convert your fiat into the stable coins in the corresponding amount. And then, yeah, you just buy NFT piece and wait when we launch the game. But as I mentioned earlier, we'll have a staking as well. And here is a QR code to our beginner's guide. Our professional team of support, they have created this cool guide, and it will guide you in any case, so you will be updated on which ways you may have to have our Genesis NFT piece. So let's go further. We have tracked that some users have different issues and mistakes when they want to buy our NFT piece. So the first error is that they don't choose the right network. Some wallets have a few networks or even more. You need to choose BNB Smart Chain. And only this chain is used to buy an NFT piece because our system is built on this network. Also, people forget about the fees in BNB. So it's not like a traditional bank where you pay fee in, for example, the US dollar or other currencies. On BNB Smart Chain, you need to pay fees on BNBs. Also, if you have some difficulties, for example, the website is not loading, or the wallet is not attaching to it, or you cannot sign the transaction, please try to refresh the page, reset the cache, use different browsers, use different device. You know, the Web3 sphere is still now adapting to common life, to the internet, as advanced as it now, and there are some issues still. So if you don't try a few times, maybe you will have an issue, but we are trying to do our best to have the smooth process as possible. So then also there is some problem of connecting MetaMask. You need to use built-in browser in the app itself. So you go, for example, to your mobile, you download from App Store if you have iOS MetaMask, then you open it, you open your wallet, go to the burger menu, and then choose the browser. Don't go to external browsers, but use these browsers because it will be more stable, and you will easily purchase an NFT and go to our website. And the last issue is that people who have come to other wallets, for example, they decided not to use MetaMask, but some old-fashioned wallets that may have many issues and they are not updated on a periodical basis. They may have issues with, for example, connecting to the website or other stuff. So you hold your seed phrase and you may transfer it to any wallet you want. And just use MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or MDAO wallet. Go to that wallet, just pass your seed phrase, and that's all. Here are addresses of emails of our support team. If you try different ways and you haven't got the result, please text them your issue, use the description so they may understand the context. Maybe you should attach your website version, your device, and just some context, and they will help you. We have the best support team, and you don't need to wait like many time. Just text them, and they will help. Also, I attach links to this presentation for you for simplicity to For example, install MetaMask or TTM wallet, our wallet that we have developed and tested a lot. And also there are two links to Bybit exchange and BitGet. So for someone it's better to use Bybit due to its interface or its features, for some BitGet or others, so don't hesitate. You may just use these links, or you may use any exchange you want, just to be the most convenient way. And now I want to announce our cool partnership with AMG Racing Team and CV Performance Group at GT4 Series. So we became an official sponsor of Mercedes AMG Racing Team. And what is it? It's a European racing series where we become a partner. So here is a design of the car our racer would have, and he is testing it now. So there are few racing schedules. It would be held on April, on June, on July, and on October. So there are different setups of race rings: Hockenheim, Lassusring, Oscherbersleben, and Nürburgring. So let's go to the main part. We have issued 500 NFT pieces of this collection. So as you may see, we have a really unique design for these NFTs. These pilots are the racers, so it's not only about design, but they will have, to tell the truth, additional features in the game as characters, and these pieces are not issued above 10,000 NFTs. They are included in this, and our tokenomics model have predicted it, and overall, as Genesis pieces, we have 10K, and that's all. So, what you may do with this NFT? You cannot only play the game, but you also have a ticket to attend all series of races absolutely free. So if you hold this NFT, you don't need to buy any ticket to these races that would be held in Germany, and you don't even have a chance to buy to go to the series, and you have an option to visit the pilot's box to personally meet drivers, talk teams, partners, if you will win this opportunity. Also, you have a great time, recharge your emotions, and meet Mars DAO team and executives. And as well, as I mentioned earlier, we are issuing only Genesis NFT pieces, and then when the number of users would be more, the Genesis holders would be forming the secondary market. So yeah, you are there is a best chance to start at the beginning when still there is an option to do it. And we'll give away each race 10 backstage passes to the racing world. So if you know, there is a box for each team on the racing ring. Pilots may upgrade their cars. The team is just like having an office there. So you may have a chance to visit their teams. They would be really free to talk to you. They may tell you more about how the racing is working, and maybe they will tell you some insights of this activity. And there are a lot of partners of teams, so you know that at racing there are many interesting partners, so it would be interesting for your personal development and maybe even for a business one. So that's all for now, and I just want to mention one last point, that here are our QR codes to the website and Twitter. And for Twitter, please, I would ask you to follow our page and have some activity there, because it's really important to us. We are only launching, and we want to have it the most noisy launch as possible. And if other players from other communities will notice our new product, then the game would be even more interesting. And here is a link also to our website. There you may see our white paper, our channels that you may subscribe to, and as well you may connect your wallet to the website and buy an NFT piece if you haven't. So it was Mike from Mars DAO, And I'm really happy to talk to you guys. Thank you, and talk soon. Goodbye.